This is what it looks like. You got okra, spring onion, tomato, garlic, onion, thyme, and sweet pepper. Okay, guys, didn't get any scotch bonnet pepper. But yeah, that's it. So we're gonna be doing some cooking. What's this? So we've got some thyme and fish. We're gonna do one fish, and we've got some okra. Yeah, so we've got thyme and okra, and we've got fish there. We need the light. So I'm gonna be cooking. We've got thyme there, and we've got okra, banana, and yam. Okay, yam. And we've got a fish there. And what else we're gonna use to cook? Any flour to put in flour. So we're gonna be cooking organic flour, and then we're gonna put some cornmeal in there. Alright, so that's the ingredients. We're gonna be using tomato, sweet pepper, and spring onion. Also gonna be using cabbage, sweet pepper, which is bell pepper in England, and we've got our organic tomato, and we have onion. Onion, guys, this is how we put the onion. We set it up like that. We've got lemon, so we're going to be using lemon as well, and we've got our onion. We got an onion, and we've got our garlic. Okay, garlic. So we're going to get garlic. After these, open it like this, and we're going to take out garlic out of this. Oh. Oops, garlic drop on the floor. Okay, so we have garlic. So that's all the ingredients, and now now we set the water on. Did you put some salt in the water? Put a little bit of salt in there, and now we're gonna put the cover on. Okay, so old pot, so don't watch it. So we're making the dumpling now. Use some water. I didn't show when you put the thing in. So that's making the dumpling. Get a little corner in there. Yes. Ready now. No, I am ready to do it. So get in here. But keep it there. Keep it down, yeah. Don't need to keep it on back. Sure. See what it looks like. You got okra, spring onion, tomato, garlic, onion, thyme, and sweet pepper. Okay, guys, didn't get any scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah, that's it. That's the outcome of the dinner. To have dumpling, yam, and fish, and all these vegetable cabbage. Some people eating already. Okay.